In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically onboard clients on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that sends a polished welcome email the moment a new client submits your form, so onboarding starts without you lifting a finger. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to the automation area from the left sidebar. We're going to build a new workflow, so choose Create Workflow, then Start from Scratch. Starting fresh keeps the setup clean and easy to follow. Every workflow begins with a trigger. Click Add New Trigger, use the search bar, and type Form Submitted. Select Form Submitted, then save the trigger. This tells GoHighLevel to listen for any time your chosen form is completed and to kick off everything that follows. Next, add the email action. Click the plus icon, search for Send Email, and select it. Give the action a clear name so you can recognize it later, for example, Onboarding Welcome Email. Fill in the from name and from email with your brand details. For best deliverability, use a verified sending address your recipients will recognize. Add a concise subject line and a helpful pre-header. These two lines are what most clients see first in their inbox, so make them inviting and specific. Now, create the email content. You can quick compose a message, build a design in the Smart Builder, or select an existing template if you already have one. For this walkthrough, choose Quick Compose, type your message, and keep it focused on next steps. A warm welcome, what to expect, links to resources or a booking calendar, and how to get support. Short paragraphs, a single clear call to action, and your signature work great. Open the additional settings to review options relevant to your sending preferences, such as tracking. Before going live, add one or more addresses in the Test Emails field and send yourself a test. Check formatting on desktop and mobile, confirm links work, and tweak the subject if it doesn't clearly convey value. When everything looks right, click Save Action. That's it for the core setup, a workflow that triggers on a form submission and immediately delivers your onboarding email. You can build on this foundation later with delays, tasks, or follow-ups, but this single email ensures every new client hears from you instantly and consistently. Remember to proofread, keep your branding consistent, include clear contact details, and revisit the template as your process evolves. Consistency builds trust and saves you time with every new client.